J. Remember to clean as you go.
Clean as you go? What is that, chef?
That means after you finish one task, clean up your area before you begin another task. That way you will have more space on your work table. Also, because there is no clutter, there are less chances of any accident or cross-contamination.
Okay, understood, chef. If I keep the area clean, then I will also be able to work neatly. I have finished my cutting. Can you tell me the steps in clean as you go?
Okay. To begin clean as you go, first clear all the equipment and the ingredients from the table. Return the vegetables to the fridge and the equipment back in place. After you have put the ingredients and equipment back in place, clear the table of any debris. See the tomato peel and spinach leaf. Throw it into the dustbin over there.
Done. I have cleaned the debris. So that is it? Now can I begin my next task?
Not so fast. Remember to clean and sanitize your table before you begin your next task. Just like you sanitized the knife, first clean the table with water. Then spray that table with sanitizer solution. Allow it to rest for a minute. Then clean once again with a wet cloth to remove excess chemical. Now you can begin your new task. Remember that cleaning a table involves 4 tasks. Clean the table, apply soap and wash it off, spray sanitizer and let it remain for a minute, and then clean once again with a wet clean cloth.
I learned to properly clean the kitchen table today. I hope you are learning as well along with me. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and visit us tomorrow for another learning episode.
And in case you are interested in learning about other departments, do check out clarifiedbetter.com, where we have more than 50 courses available for you to learn. There are more courses from kitchen, but also there are some sales and revenue management courses. See you tomorrow.